Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Ford Fiesta LX Hatch, stock reference number 5318. This shape runs from the 10th month 2010 through to the 8th month 2013. It has a TSJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. TSJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, radiator grille. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has one small dent. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. 4-switch type. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic centre console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack control panel, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy leather and vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.